Hi everyone, trust you are doing good today. This particular question on your screen was sent to me by one of my students. He or she want me to solve this particular question by constructing a triangle ABC such that AB equals 7 centimeter, AC equals 9.8 centimeter, and angle ABC equals 120 degree. Construct a circle with which passes through the point ABC and locate point D on the circle such that ABCD is a trapezium. I did promise that I'm going to solve this and upload it to this particular channel which you are seeing now. So let's quickly do this. Very simple. So the first thing we do, let's draw our baseline. Let's have the baseline. We have that baseline now. On that baseline, locate a point which will be our A. That point will be A, and we are told that AB is 7 centimeters. So I'm going to measure 7. So I'm going to measure 7. So this is 7. So I'll call this B. Okay. Now if you look at the question, we are also told that ABC is 120 degree. So the 120 degree will be at this point B. Okay, so this is ABC. So where the angle will be at this point B. So I'm going to be constructing angle 120 at this point B. So to construct angle 120, what we do is just open your compass to any convenient length of your choice, any convenient radius. So needle on this point B. Then what we do, you draw a semicircle this way. Draw a semicircle this way to touch the baseline, as you can see, with the same compass radius. Do not adjust it. Okay, place it at this point here, at this point where the semicircle intersects with the baseline. Okay, so just have this. Okay, you have this. And now take note of this point, then from that B, draw a line. Draw a line like that passing through the point. So this is angle 60, while this angle is 120. Okay, so we need to locate point C, and we are told that AC, from the given question, we are told that AC is 9.8. So I will stretch my compass to 9.8 to get C. So this is 9.8, stretch. Okay, so this is 9.8. So I will needle on point A, this point A. Okay, needle on point A, then you have this. Okay, so we call this side C. This is our C now. So with this now, we just join A to C. You can take that out. Take that out this way. Then take out AB. Then AC. Okay, so we have our triangle. The first part of the question has been answered. We have been able to construct a triangle ABC such that AB is 7 centimeter, AC is 9.8, and angle ABC is 120 degrees. So the next thing we are told to do now is to construct a circle which passes through the point ABC. Now we are going to construct a circle. The circle must pass through, the circumference of the circle must touch A, B, and C. That is a very simple thing to do. So we are going to be, what we are actually going to be doing now is we are drawing a circumscribed circle. We call it circumscribed circle such that it's going to be touching each of the points of the triangle. Okay, so what we are going to do, I will choose these two sides. I will bisect these two sides, AB and BC. So just needle on this point A, open your compass, okay, to any convenient radius of your choice actually. Then have this arc both up and down this way. Then needle on point B, have this arc this way. So you can see the 2 points of intersection of the arc. So this point here and this point here. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting the point together with a thin line, that way. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I will bisect BC as well, needle on that point as well. So you can open your compass to any convenient radius of your choice. So I have this arc this way, okay. Then on point C now with the same compass radius, okay. So is this arc, I hope you can see that arc, this point of intersection, okay. So we have for this side, okay. So I need to extend this radius of this arc such that they have to intersect. So you can see it intersecting at this point here. Okay, so I'm going to join these 2 points. I will join the 2 points together. Okay, now do you see where these 2 bisector intersect? That is this bisector, this first one for AB and the one for this BC. Do you see where they intersect? They both intersect at this point. So we call that point circumcenter. We call it circumcenter. So it is from that point now I'm going to needle on this point to draw my circle. So I'm going to needle on this point, like I said. So open your compass to any of the points, okay. It just must touch the point. So you can see it's on point C now, which is touching B, and also we have to touch A. So what do I do now? Just draw your circle. I'm going to be drawing my circle now. Okay, I hope we can see this now. So we draw the circle this way. All right, so we have this circle this way. So you tick out the circle, since that is it's also one of the things we are told to do. So you draw the circle out. So this is our circle now. So the next question here says that okay, we have constructed a circle which passes through the point ABC. So you can see it touches point A, it touches point B, and it also touches point C. And we are told to locate point D on the circle such that ABCD is a trapezium. So that is a very simple thing to do. What we do now, just needle on this point B, stretch to C. So this radius now, this. So come here, needle on point A, mark this way. So this is point D on the circle. Okay, so all I will just do now, I will draw a thick line joining C to D, this way. Okay, then join A to D. Okay, such that A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay, A, B, C, D is a trapezium, and it's a we call this an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Why? Because it's having 2 legs that are equal. That is, AD is equals to BC. Okay, and you can also be told to look for, to measure out BC. Okay, though the question did not state that. So if you measure out BC will give us BC, which is equal to AD, will give us 4.2 centimeter. I hope this is clear. So if you find this video helpful, please give this video a like, and also share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you. See you next time in my subsequent video. God bless you.